What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. So you guys, I saw the beautiful post on Instagram of all the pretty cactus things here at Hobby Lobby, and I had to come in and see them for myself. So this is what we're gonna look at, you guys. We're gonna look at this big, beautiful display of cactus. It's on the sides and it's also on the back, but I just had to come in and see for myself. This is $11.99. and it's super soft. And look at these, you guys. These are $19.99. So cute. We got some serious loud music playing in the background. Aw, and these are all in little terracotta pots. What's this? My thoughtful wall. Ooh, pretty. This is $15.99. Super huge. For $11.99. I really like this blue cactus. That's pretty. This is wood. Oh, this is cute. Let's see if I can get it out. And I'll tell you how much it is. It is $19.99. Look at this beauty back here. That is so pretty. And very heavy. That's $13.99. We even have some cactus pillows for $24.99. And you guys, everything is 40% off. I should have started off by telling you that. Kind of changes your perspective on these things, right? Now that you know they're almost 50% off. Wow, these are so cute. These are all $3.99. These are $11.99 each. Let's look at these. I don't see a price on these. Have you guys been seeing the cute cactus mug on Instagram? It has a cute little cactus on the inside and a bunch of cactus prints on the outside. I totally love that. I have not ordered one, but I'm considering it. We have the little thing here to rest your spoon when you're stirring things in the kitchen. Oh, and we also have the bright green cactus here. Aww, this is so cute. I think this would be really easy to make too. That's adorable. I love the pink pom-pom acting as the flower. These are $13.99. So cute. These little containers, dishwasher safe, $11.99. Oh, and we even have some cactus lights. What's this? A cactus bottle opener. You guys, this is so heavy. So very heavy. This is $5.99. I love this. Really nice. Or if you don't want to use it as a bottle opener, you could probably just stick it down in a pot with some rocks or some soil. That would be really cute. It's a very heavy enamel. Then we have this pink here. I think these are all the same price. Yeah, these are $7.99. Oh, and these are so cute. These are $3.99 each. Little trinket dishes. So sweet. I really like that. And then let's see what we have here. I thought it was going to have a cactus on it, but it doesn't. Those are $1.99. Feel this, Birdie. Did you find any other cactus things anywhere?
A few.
A few?
Mm-hmm.
You want to bring them to me, or do you need to take me to them when I'm done here?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not sure how much these are. Ooh, look at this one. Beautiful. This is $19.99. It's really nice. This is $7.99. Again, you guys, 40% off. $13.99. These are so cute. So this is a box here in the back, and then it lays flush in the front. I love this here. The pink with a little tin. That is so cute. Again, that is how much? $19.99. Love that. Birdie brought me to this aisle and showed me this, which is 50% off. It's really pretty. Has kind of a pink and peachy background. And it is $17.99. And then we have another one down here. I really love the white frame. It's kind of a white clean texture. And this one is $19.99. I think Birdie has more to show me.
Then over here.
Oh.
There's more on this side.
A pretty black and white print. Matted for $21.99. Again, half off. Oh, I like this one down here with the sort of rustic brick wall. And this one is $21.99. Birdie says there's more. Ah, pretty. Ooh, and then we have this one in the pot. And it's hard for short people to reach up there. $13.99, but half off.
And goats.
Nice price.
And the goat says, here's another.
And then we have a pretty succulent here. Looks kind of like a watercolor succulent. Very nice for $13.99. I think she showed me one over here. Wasn't there one over here? Oh, there was another succulent here.
Forgot that one.
And this is $49.99. I wonder why these are so much more. Well, maybe the frame is mirrored. Okay, see? Pretty. Anything else, Birdie?
No, I don't.
Ooh, I see lots of pretty pinks, and there's so many pretty things in here, you guys. Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
I love
this color scheme.
Me too. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Birdie and I are loving this color scheme for spring. I love you to the moon and back. She believed she could, so she did. Oh, where'd you find that?
It's over
What
here.
is it?
I'm not quite
It's a fixture,
sure.
some sort of fixture. It's a, you know what it is? It's a drawer. It's a drawer
Handle?
knob, or a drawer handle. Oh, look, I see it. I see it where you got it from right there. Oh, look, they even have one that's a succulent.
Yeah.
Look at this one. They have the succulent. They have so many. The cactus, that's so cute. They have everything. Wow. Animals. All sorts of stuff. You know you're grown when you're shopping on the knobs and poles aisle, looking for that perfect knob or pole for that special drawer or piece of furniture. They have so much, and you guys look, 50% off. Let's go take one more peek. Oh, look, I found another. Birdie, you missed this one. Look what Birdie missed. A cactus snuck past Birdie. It was kind of hard because it's kind of distressed. All of these are kind of distressed. This is $24.99. This one is $29.99. Okay, let's go look at this little cute display, you guys. There's flamingos, and there's also unicorns. Here's the unicorn display. And I love that. Did you find more cactus?
No.
She's calling me, you guys. She found more. More things she wants to show me. Oh, those are pretty. Big paper flowers. And then over here we have the flamingo display. So cute. So Birdie called me over here. She really likes all of this. Do you like the dresser too?
Yeah. Well,
Or do you just like the girly glam look of it?
if that was like white or something, I'd like it too.
And the chair. And we have the dress form. And the mirror. You guys check out this bling. It is crazy. Well, hey you guys, I'd love for you to hit the thumbs up button, share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.